How to download Inzoi on PC. I'm going to show you how to download Inzoi on your computer, or if you need to wait for its official release. Because as of now, Inzoi is not yet available on PC. Krafton, the game's developer, has officially announced that the early access for PC will begin on March 28, 2025. If you're looking for a direct download, you'll have to wait until then. But if you really want to try the game before the official release, you can use an Android emulator like BlueStacks or LD Player. These programs let you run mobile apps on your PC. Simply install the emulator, sign in to the Google Play Store, and download Inzoi once it's available. Keep in mind that playing through an emulator might not provide the full experience that the PC version will offer. If you want the best performance, it's worth waiting for the official release.